Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you an app from where you can get unique and so good wallpapers that they're so fantastic you will like it. So for that you have to watch the full video. So let's get started. So first you have to go to the Play Store and you have to search Well Candy. So I clicked on Well Candy. Then you have to install. Click on install Well Candy. So here it is. It's the app. Like there are so many wallpapers here and those are so cute, and this one is really aesthetic. Yeah, there are so many cars, you can customize it as well. And look, this one looking great. If you click on random, a random wallpaper will come, and there is anime wallpaper featured. There are so many options here. Look, it's the feature theme wallpapers, latest, and categories. And you can have your category as well. It's a building. You can have, if you click building, it will come building. It's kind of great. So let me show you how you can add it on your phone. So first you have to click on the wallpaper and then you have to download. Click on allow. It's downloading. So after downloading, you have to go to the gallery, like all photos. Here it is. It's the wallpaper. So you have to click on set as wallpaper. Click on apply. Apply for what? If you want to give home screen, it will be on home screen. If you want to give lock screen, it will be on lock screen. You can select both as well, but I'm selecting just home screen. So I'm clicking on home screen, and that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching this video, and do like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.